Outdoors, having an amazing day. We're at a launch event and have a number of special guests. So we have Nolan Egbert.
Yes.
With Montrose Anglers.
We moved here 8 years ago on a journey and really had nothing to do with fly fishing other than recreational. And, but, you know, things change, right? You
Yeah.
gotta be flexible. And when you live in an area like this, an opportunity arose to buy a fly shop.
Cool.
To build a business with my youngest son.
What is Colorado Outdoors from your perception?
Oh, it's the coming of age of Montrose, Colorado, I believe. I mean, it's just I've really been thankful for the DeGroo's leadership and vision to take this river here and just our incredible valley and make a statement for the outdoor industry. And we're just excited about being part of it. Yeah.
So you can check it out at coloradooutdoors.co, and then basically it's an economic development hub right on the river, and it's pulling together the gravity of all these really interesting entrepreneurs. We have Colorado Yurt Company that just broke ground today. We're going to have a whole integration of lifestyle experience outdoors companies.
Exactly, and our fly shop right in the middle of it.
Yeah,
we're excited about it.
So I've been fishing forever, but I don't know why I haven't gotten into fly fishing. So here's my new best friend, and we're going to get outfit and actually tell us about what is in this whole Montrose Western Slope in terms of fly fishing recreation. And I know we have the Gunnison River, which is world class.
Right.
That's 20 minutes from town.
Yeah, I mean, it's we're just in an incredible area. You know, we have obviously the Gunnison, like you said, and that's a very diverse river from the beginning to the end. And then we also have this incredible river that comes through our town. I think one of the best resources we have.
Yeah.
The incredible fishing, Uncompahgre, the Uncompahgre River, which there's a state park at the end of it, and then 6 miles of public fishing.
There's a surf park here downtown.
Yep.
There's bike path. There's frisbee golf. It's a whole mecca. You can spend your whole day around the river. With
a really nice concrete walk path along the...
And there's fish in the river, too. I heard it's actually really good fishing.
There's nice fish. There's nice rainbows, nice browns. Very, very nice piece of water.
So let's talk about your website and what you're building out for your business and what you guys do.
So obviously we're a retail store, but we also have an online store, and our website, montroseanglers.com, is we have a full online store that we sell all our products with. You can take reservations for trips, understand the trips that we have locally.
Very cool.
You know,
So you have trips, education. Do you guys do any workshops, stuff
classes,
like that? Classes,
fly tying. You know, one of the things that we've, one of the unique things about our valley is literally you can fish year round here.
Really?
Yes, but it does. You know, it gets pretty darn cold, December, January, but you can still fish. But we do a lot of fly tying demonstrations, classes. We do a lot of hands-on casting classes, fly fishing 101 classes, bottom line, we're a service business that has some really cool, quality, unique products to serve this community and the visitors that come.
And then you're going to locate in the complex here?
Yes, just probably about 100 yards north of where we're sitting here.
So tell everybody first name, last name, and your website one last time.
Nolan Egbert, montroseanglers.com.
All right, so come check it out, and we're going to go out with Nolan in a couple weeks here and do a fishing expedition. He's going to get my chops dialed in to fly fish. Thanks for being on the show.
All right, thanks, Tim.
Cheers.